A tortoise challenges a hare to a race. The hare eagerly agrees and quickly runs ahead, leaving the slow but steady tortoise behind. Confident that he will win, the hare stops to take a nap. The tortoise walks slowly but steadily and passes the sleeping hare. The hare wakes up and runs to the finish, but the tortoise is already there. Which of the 5 distance versus time graphs A through E matches the story? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's set up the axes. Time runs along the bottom, and distance from the start goes up the side. The top line is the finish. Whoever reaches that top line first wins the race. First the hare. He sprints ahead, so his line shoots up steeply at the start. Then he stops to nap. While he sleeps, his distance does not change, so his graph is a flat, horizontal segment. Finally he wakes and sprints again. Another steep climb to the finish. Now the tortoise. He walks at one slow, steady pace the whole time, so his graph is a single straight line with a small, constant slope, all the way from start to finish. Look at what happens. Early on the hare is ahead. His line is above the tortoise's. But while the hare naps and stays flat, the steady tortoise keeps climbing and passes him. The tortoise's line reaches the finish first, before the hare's second sprint even gets there. A straight tortoise line, a flat nap for the hare, and the tortoise crossing the finish first. Only graph B shows all of that. The answer is graph B.